Okay, hi, hello, how are you? Good evening. This is Pallavi and कैसे हैं आप लोग? Welcome to the show. Hi Madhu, hi Amrendra, hi Rehan, hi Ruby, hi Ashok. तो आज बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट है कामा सूत्रा सेक्स पोजिशंस विच वंस टू ट्राई. ओके, तो ये काफ़ी कामा सूत्रा एज यू नो इट वाज रिटन इन 400 BC. हज़ारों साल पहले लिखा गया था कामा सूत्रा. वात्सायना ने लिखा था और इसको हम एक तरह का सेक्स मैनुअल मानते हैं. बल्कि कामा सूत्रा में बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें लिखी हैं दैट आर नॉट रिलेटेड टू सेक्स. इट्स मोर अबाउट हाउ टू लिव अ हेल्दी लाइफ. बट सिंस कामा सूत्रा is the only text of its times where it has actually talked about sex, so a lot of focus has been given to Kama Sutra. तो आज के टाइम पे कामा सूत्रा के नाम पे कुछ भी बिकता है. People actually think of Kama Sutra as sex. So when someone hears word Kama Sutra, be it condoms, be it edible paints, there is a, even if you search like kamasutra.com, it's like completely there is the site itself is dedicated to sex. तो ये बताता है कि हाँ कामा सूत्रा जो है इट इज सिनोनिमस विद द वर्ड सेक्स, राइट. एंड वात्सायना also would never have imagined the impact of his work that he's going to do. He has done. Okay. Hi Rahul, hi Srinivas, hi Shrivani, hi Saurabh, hi Rehan. So आज हम कुछ positions की बात करेंगे कि how actually there are like almost 60 more than 60 positions mentioned in Kama Sutra, but we'll pick some key positions for beginners. जैसे कोई अगर नया हो, like he just trying or she or trying, तो I will just explain the posture. Okay, so we'll try to explain it with the hands and yes, okay, and that's like there is something. So Kama Sutra actually has an obsession about the size. Okay, so it's like the penis and the vagina have 3 variations. 3 variations each होता है. So if they say that अगर penis can be like hair, जो आपका खरगोश टाइप का एक हेयर होता है, एनिमल होता है, penis can be like a hair, it can be like a stallion, it can be like a bull. So hair, stallion and bull, these are the 3 sizes of the penis. Okay, and similarly vagina can also come in 3 sizes. So it could be a doe, it could be a mare, it could be an elephant. So basically small, medium, large, both in the size of penis, and small, medium, large, both in the types of vagina. So what happens, Kama Sutra is saying that if the penis and the vagina are not penis size and vagina size are not matching, okay, in size, then it will spell doom for sex. मतलब एक अच्छी सेक्सुअल एक्सपीरियंस के लिए पीनस साइज और वजाइना साइज का मैच होना ज़रूरी है. जैसे अगर इफ़ देयर इज़ अ लार्जर पीनस एंड द स्मॉलर वजाइना, और इफ देयर इज़ अ लार्जर वजाइना and a smaller penis, so this is like okay. So and hence Kama Sutra has actually described a lot of positions to help the couples with mismatched sizes as per Kama Sutra. तो उस लॉजिक पे भी बात करेंगे कि हाउ वी कैन ट्राई, एंड देयर आर अदर पोजिशंस ऑल्सो. हाई डॉक्टर गौरव, लॉन्ग टाइम नो सी, एंड हाई धर्मेंद्र, हाई संग्राम, हाई सचिदानंद, हाई रूबी. So the quiz is about to start, guys. Do your best, score points, win rewards, and we are right here, right back. So after you do the session, just come back, do the quiz and come back to the session, and we'll just again start. Okay, तब तक हम छोटी मोटी चटपटी बातें करते हैं कामा सूत्रा की. Okay, 15,000 people logged into it. That's amazing. That's a good, great number. तो बहुत सारे पोजीशंस होते हैं, प्लस अ लॉट ऑफ पोजीशंस बेसिकली नीड फिटनेस. तो क्या होता है, मिशनरी पोजीशन ऐसा होता है कि यू कैन एक्चुअली इवन दो you are not, most people they do missionary position. Okay, so most people they do missionary position because they don't know about any other position, plus it's more comfortable also, like difficult for the man, but otherwise. So we are trying to see, good sex is all about creativity. Okay, And Kama Sutra has actually a lot of positions based on animals. तो जैसे डॉगी स्टाइल होता है, okay, and there are a lot of animals that have been used in referring to the Kama Sutra, because it was that time, you know, it was how would we take a creativity. There were no smartphones that time, okay. तो कोई स्मार्टफोन तो था नहीं कि बादशाह है ना जी गूगल पे सर्च करके देखते हैं अच्छा ये क्या है वो क्या है. ही वॉज एन ऑब्जर्वर, okay. So he would observe, and what will you observe? I mean, in those times there were like jungles and no multi-story apartments, animals, so it's very very natural, okay. And yes, I think people's fitness भी उस टाइम पे ज़्यादा लोगों का कुछ इतना काम होता था, ज़्यादा मैनुअल काम होता था, ज़्यादा हार्ड काम होता था. Unlike today, it's where we are used to sedentary lifestyle, okay. We are used to sitting on chairs. तो हमारे लिए कुछ पोजीशंस बड़ी डिफिकल्ट होंगी, बट इवन कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड, आई हैव जस्ट पिक्ड अप few positions that you can actually try with your current health and fitness level, okay. So we're just going to get the quiz over. People are attempting the quiz. तो कुछ पोजिशंस हैं जो बहुत हम लोग करते भी हैं, हमें पता भी नहीं वो कामा सूत्र से ली गई है. लाइक डॉगी स्टाइल इज वन ऑफ द पोजिशन. दे ऑल्सो कॉल इट एज अ काओ, यू नो. काओ, इसको जो रिसेम्बलेंस लिया है काओ से लिया है. सो डॉगी स्टाइल इज वन ऑफ द पोजिशंस that we still do, and this is also mentioned in Kama Sutra. Similarly, spoon position is also, you know, we have, most of us have done, and it's taken from Kama Sutra. So crab positions हैं, you know, cow position है, elephant position है. I mean, as in the animals have been referred, and elephant, lion, cow, crab, dog, okay. So these are the positions that have actually been taken. So you can actually observe animals like, okay, the lion is like, you know, it's like very much aggressive. Elephant is like very heavy, you know, it's like stomping, so heavy. Cow is like it's bulky. Cow is bulky, and cow is not too much of moving, okay. So you can actually develop your own Kama Sutra recipe. See, telling you that, okay, try this position. My idea is to give the logic behind a certain position, कि वो particular position कहाँ से आया है. Okay, so the quiz has got over. Yep. So scores please, and then we'll just start with the session, okay. Scores. Let's see, all people all have joined. I mean, that's just a small you know, kind of celebration we have in the group. And then we can just move further, right? Quiz not started? No, quiz has already started. I think it's beyond time. We are sitting here now. Okay, so people, please keep on pouring the scores, please, because, you know, we start and then we see the scores and we do want to celebrate. See, Manoj, thank you so much for taking the lead. Congratulations, Abhishek, Sunita, Kailash. Hi, Pradeep. Hi, Sameer. 5:30, not bad. Cheers for the attempt. Great Srinivas, great Ruby, fabulous Mukesh. Kudos, Harpreet. Okay, so yes, a big cheer to all our users who have made scores today, and for the attempt also. Thank you. So coming back to the session, so let's start our session with full on speed, full on gusto. तो पहली चीज़ है, पहला पोजीशन जो होता है राइडर पोजीशन, ओके. राइडर पोजीशन, द वुमन इज ऑन टॉप. नाउ द की इज द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. शी कैन आइदर सिट अपराइट, ओके. सो शी कैन सिट लाइक आई एम सिटिंग राइट नाउ. तो या तो वो ऐसे बैठ सकती है ऑन टॉप ऑफ अ मैन, और शी कैन, यू नो, जस्ट लाई डाउन फ्लैट चेस्ट टू चेस्ट. तो चेस्ट टू चेस्ट she can just lie down on her man. तो मतलब हिंदी में बता रही हूँ कि या तो वो बैठ सकती हैं, you know, the woman is actually riding the man, जैसे आप राइड करते हो, like you know when you ride a horse. So if a woman is riding a man, she will sit upright, or if not, she can lie down on top of a man, chest to chest. Okay, so flat, lying down flat on top of a man, chest to chest. So this is you know, the second variation of rider position, which is like woman is lying flat on top of the man, chest to chest, is for more intimacy. It brings more intimacy, because two people are like this, you know, the woman is actually lying on the she's flat on her man's body. Then this is one benefit, that where, you know, the second is like when she's on top of a man and she's like flat, lying flat on top of the man, so that brings more intimacy. Secondly, she's in control. Okay, the one who is riding is in control. So what happens is, for most of the women, their clitoris is not exactly, you know, in the same place. Not all women have their clitoris on the same place. So when she's sitting, she will adjust the angle where she actually gets a lot of pleasure. ओके, तो वो क्या कर सकती है, वो अपने आप को उस तरह से एंगल कर सकती है फॉर हर ओन प्लेजर. सो व्हेन अ वुमन इज ऑन टॉप, शी इज इन अंडर कंट्रोल एंड शी कैन एक्चुअली एंगल हरसेल्फ in the way she likes to get personal pleasure, maximum personal pleasure. So she has this opportunity, and she is she is actually in control. Now those women who have actually heavy breast, okay, so they have like large breast, and if they are actually riding on the top of man and jiggling up and down, it may actually create some kind of discomfort owing to the large size of their breast. So what they can do is they can again lie down flat on top of their man for relief. तो ये पहला पोजीशन होता है राइडर पोजीशन. ओके, women on top. Now there is the second position is called Amazon position. So the man lies on his back and pulls his knees, so these are the knees, pulls his knees up to his chest. So man is lying on his back. Okay, now man is lying. अब पहले पोजीशन में मैन लाई कर रहा था, सेकेंड पोजीशन में मैन ही लाई कर रहा है, मतलब आदमी जो है वो लेटा हुआ है, एंड ही इज पुलिंग हिज नीज अप टू हिज चेस्ट, एंड सो ही इज कर्ल्ड अप इन अ बॉल. ओके, मतलब अगर आप लेटे हुए हो और अपने नीज को अपने चेस्ट के पास ला रहे हो, तो एक तरह का राउंड फॉर्म लगता है, जैसे लाइक curled up ball basically. Okay, now he is pushing his penis underneath his legs. So now he is bringing his this, and he is pushing his penis underneath his legs, and the woman is squatting. Okay, so woman is squatting and she is rocking backwards and forwards ऐसे. So woman is like rocking, तो woman move कर रही है and she is squatting का मतलब है कि जैसे इंडियन इंडियन टॉयलेट्स में आप जैसे बैठते हो. ओके, सो मलासन कहते हैं बेसिकली, योगासन होता है बेसिकली एक स्क्वाट पोजीशन का, जिसको मलासन. सो इंडियन टॉयलेट्स में जैसे हम बैठते हैं, सो वुमन विल बी स्क्वाटिंग, सो शी विल बी सिटिंग ऑन हर हील्स, ओके, ऑन हर feet, and her bum is raised on air. So she is sitting, but her bum is not on the ground, it's raised in air, and she is sitting with the help of her sole. So this is called Kama Sutra, Amazon Kama Sutra position. Okay, so man repeating because it's difficult. पहली position तो बहुत आसान था याद करना कि rider position, woman is on top. Okay, second position is called Amazon Kama Sutra position. I don't know why it is called Amazon, but this is how it is. So Amazon Kama Sutra position होता है कि man is lying on his back with his knees up, pulled up to his chest, and he is in the form of curled up ball, and he has actually pushed his penis underneath his legs. Now woman would be squatting, Malasan would be squatting, and she will be rocking forward and backward. Okay, and like this is how woman is pushing. So she is, this position is incredibly powerful, and it is the closest a woman can feel being a man. Okay, so like we say that जो sex positions होते हैं, man is like in control, man is stronger. So in this position a woman can actually closer to feeling like a man. She will actually feel like a man. I mean, as in दिस नो हार्म बीइंग अ वुमेन, बट आई एम सेइंग कि जो एक मैन वाला फीलिंग होता है कि यू नो men thrust, mostly men take all the effort because they are more virile, okay, they are more sturdy. So this is a position where woman can become the man in the couple. Okay, so definitely try this position, Amazon Kama Sutra position. Now third position is called frog position. So as I said that a lot of positions in Kama Sutra are it is based on the animals, because उस time पे क्या था, this was all creativity in sex. How you actually build the creativity, you observe around, you see different animals. Yogasan जो है, Yogasan is also based on animal kingdom. A lot of positions in yoga also are derived from animals, right? From Bhujangasan, which is snake position, then this Makarasan, then Matsyasana, okay, Singhasan, देन ऊँट पे भी पोजीशन होता है, बहुत सारी पोजीशंस होती हैं फ्रॉम एनिमल्स, ओके. So similarly even sex also, so yogasana is also a kind of exercise where a lot of pleasure is received even in the body while you do. So it is very different from a gym. Like in gym you are exerting, but in yoga you are actually giving pleasure to your own body, because it is so grounded and so natural practice. So similarly sex should also be like a yoga. Sex is basically a meditation. Sex is like, okay, dedication. Sex is like dropping into the moment. So you take those elements, put some bit of Kama Sutra, mix it and create your own recipe. This is what is the point. It's not to just go to the book and read it and just try. That would be quite manual. So you bring in your own tadka to the Kama Sutra. Okay, this is what I'm going to tell. So now now this is almost similar to the doggy position, frog position, but what the woman will do, so frog position is almost similar to doggy position, but what the woman will do is she will lie down और उनके जो आर्म्स है वो फ्लैट है और पूरी फ्रंटल बॉडी फ्लैट ऑन बेड है, बट उनका जो बम है इट इज रेस्ड ऑन एयर. Okay, so bump is up in the air and the whole frontal body is on the bed. So now the woman's hand is free. Okay, so the woman is, again repeating, the woman is lying on the bed. उनके जो हाथ हैं वो बेड पे ही हैं. उनका पूरा फ्रंटल बॉडी, जो टॉप बॉडी है, फ्रंट का बॉडी है, that is also on the bed, but her bump is raised on the air. Okay, so now the man is standing and man is penetrating. So woman's hand is free for stimulation and the man's hand is also free. So man is standing and woman is lying on the bed. So that's the position. Then curled एंगल पोजिशन. ओके, कर्ल्ड एंगल पोजिशन होता है, जो मैं पहले ही बता रही थी कि कई सारी ऐसी पोजिशंस है कामा सूत्र में जो हम करते रहते हैं बट हमें पता नहीं होता है कि दीज आर फ्रॉम कामा सूत्रा. सो कर्ल्ड एंगल पोजिशन इज व्हाट वी नो टिपिकली एज स्पूनिंग. तो स्पूनिंग का मतलब होता है दिस. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड स्पूनिंग. एंड इसमें क्या होता है कि स्पूनिंग बेसिकली, वाई स्पूनिंग इज माई पर्सनल फेवरेट इज बिकॉज इट ब्रिंग्स इन टोटल सेक्शुअल इक्वालिटी. टोटल सेक्शुअल इक्वालिटी. स्पूनिंग मतलब कि देर कुड बी अ बिग स्पून, सो आई हैव अ स्पून ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज अ स्पून. सो बेसिकली ऐसे होगा, तो दो स्पून रहेंगे. तो मैन कैन बी द बिगर स्पून, वुमेन कैन बी द स्मॉलर स्पून, और women can be the bigger spoon and man can be smaller spoon depending on who is enveloping the other person. तो spooning के केस में क्या होता है, why I like spooning is because it brings total sexual equality. Okay, in missionary or doggy or maybe many other positions, the man assumes more of a control. I mean, this is typically it's being seen because he has to do all the work. Now spooning is where you can actually take turns to lead. Like I said, there's a bigger spoon and the smaller spoon depending on who is enveloping the other person. तो क्योंकि अदर पोजिशंस में मैन इज अंडर कंट्रोल, हेयर यू कैन एक्चुअली मेक चेंज टर्न्स. सो वुमेन कैन बिकम अ बिगर स्पून और मैन कैन बिकम अ बिगर स्पून. एंड orgasm also, you actually get easily orgasm. Okay, now that's what is no like बॉलीवुड तड़का जो कहते हैं, हमारा बॉलीवुड के हैं तो सभी उस तरह से होते हैं. लाइक वी आर ऑल लाइक लव इज स्टिल वी गेट फ्रॉम आवर those movies. So why not? I mean, see, tadka as in ki it's your personal twist. Okay, how you make it comfortable depending on your body type, your flexibility, ease of both the partners, because it's not just you if she is liking it or not. So change it. Like if the woman is on top is something that, okay, it's very very easy to attempt. Woman is lying flat on the man. Okay, in case the woman is not able to handle so much of control, like she can just lie flat on the top of man. तो ये सब चीज़ें हैं. Now a very very interesting position is called star position. Star देखा है ना आपने, ऐसे होता है star. तो star में क्या होता है कि the woman is lying on her back like missionary position, but उनका एक घुटना जो होता है, मतलब one leg is bent, you know, on the knee. तो एक पैर जो है वो मुड़ा होगा और एक पैर होगा outstretched. एंड मैन भी होगा, मैन विल बी ऑन टॉप ऑफ द वुमेन. उनका एक पैर मुड़ा होगा और एक पैर आउटस्ट्रेच्ड होगा. ना जो पैर मुड़ा होगा, यू नो, द वुमेन, सो जो वुमेन का पैर मुड़ा होगा उसके नीचे मैन का स्ट्रेच्ड पैर होगा, और जो वुमेन का पैर जो आउटस्ट्रेच्ड होगा उसके नीचे मैन का बेंड लेग होगा. सो अंडरस्टैंड, आई एम रिपीटिंग. वुमेन पार्टनर इज लाइंग ऑन द बेड लाइक अ मिशनरी पोजिशन. उसका एक जो लेग है, सो वुमेन का एक लेग इज बेंड एंड द अदर लेग इज आउटस्ट्रेच्ड ऑन द बेड. वन लेग इज बेंड, अदर लेग इज आउटस्ट्रेच्ड ऑन द बेड. नाउ द मैन इज lying on top of the woman so that his one leg, the outstretched leg, is beneath the bent leg of the woman, and his bent leg is on the top of the outstretched leg of the woman. तो उससे एक स्टार बनता है ऐसा. नो, इट्स लाइक दिस. ये ऐसे हुआ और ये ऐसे हुआ. तो ये जो मैन है ऐसे, दिस या दिस ऐसे होगा. तो बेंड वाले के ऊपर आउटस्ट्रेच्ड होगा और एक बेंड वाले के नीचे आउटस्ट्रेच्ड होगा. सो दैट्स द आइडिया. And the best thing is for the star position is that it actually makes G spot stimulation very easy. So it's very easy to hit the G spot from star position. Now I was talking about the difference in penis size and the vagina size for those who have joined late or who were attempting the quiz. So basically Kama Sutra is slightly obsessive about the genital sizes. दो पेनिस साइज का एक अलग ही वो होता है, कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है. And that is like completely, you know, baseless, because see, women don't, like a lot of men come to me and say, okay, what is the standard penis size, या penis size कितना होना चाहिए for satisfying a woman. Basically vagina जो होता है वो फिर flexible होता है. So you actually don't need to have a larger penis, because on the contrary, अगर larger penis है तो you can actually hit the cervix of the woman, which is very internally, and she can actually get hurt. So वो पॉर्न वाला आइडिया था कि उनको कहा जाता है कि हाँ लार्जर पीनस है तो बहुत सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलेगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. फोरप्ले इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, कम्युनिकेशन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, रिस्पेक्ट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू सेक्स देन पीनस साइज. नॉट सेइंग दैट पीनस साइज, बट ठीक है, आई मीन इट्स नॉट, यू शुड नॉट गेट यू नो वरिंग अबाउट व्हाट इज द पीनस साइज, कि पीनस साइज कितना बड़ा होना चाहिए या क्या होना चाहिए, छोटा तो नहीं है. और पीनस को बढ़ाने का कोई दवाई नहीं आती. So the medicines who say, people who claim that we can increase the penis size, okay, are faking a lie. So you actually cannot increase the penis size. What you can do is increase the blood flow to the penis through some medicines, and due to which you know, actually it may get enlarged, larger in shape, but not the length. And it will again go back to the normal once the effect of the medicine is over. So don't get obsessed about the penis size. Women don't just want penis size, they want more of you, they want all of you. So anyways, coming back to the Kama Sutra, like I said that there are 3 variations for each of the genitals of a man and a woman. So a penis can have 3 variations depending on small, medium and large. So which is like hare, stallion and bull. So bull is like the larger penis, hare is like the smaller teeny weeny penis, and stallion is like in between. Similarly, a woman can also have a small vagina, medium vagina, and larger vagina. This is what is mentioned in Kama Sutra. Do not take it as a medical advice. We are talking about Kama Sutra, so please be careful. Kama Sutra has said that woman has 3 types of vaginas: small vagina, medium, and large. So small is the doe, medium is the mare, and the large is the elephant. Okay, so now Kama Sutra says that if there is a mismatch in the sizes, so if a larger penis matches with a smaller vagina, or an elephant vagina matches with the smaller penis, then there will be dissatisfaction in the sexual act. So how to avoid it, how to make sure that people of all kind of compatibilities are actually enjoying sex. So एक है उत्फलका. नाउ आई रियली लाइक दिस वर्ड उत्फलका. उत्फलका का मीन्स मतलब था ब्लॉसमिंग. तो ब्लॉसमिंग क्या होता है कि वुमेन का जो हेड होता है, द मैन विल लोअर द वुमेन्स हेड एंड रेज हर वल्वा. मतलब उनका वल्वा ऐसे ऊपर आ जाता है, जिससे क्या होता है कि यू एक्चुअली गेट मोर रूम. सो basically it is to accommodate a larger penis if the woman's vagina is small. Okay, so blossoming उत्फलका, वुमेन का जो हेड है वो नीचे है, उनका जो वल्वा है मतलब उनका जो ओवरऑल पोर्शन है लोअर हिप का है, दैट इज रेज्ड इन द एयर सो दैट देयर इज मोर स्पेस. इट इज यूज्ड व्हेन अ वुमन हैज स्मॉलर वेजाइना एंड मैन हैज अ लार्जर पीनस. थैंक्स शशांक. नाउ नेक्स्ट कम्स इंद्रनिका. उत्फलका के बाद इंद्रनिका विच इज कॉल्ड क्वीन ऑफ हेवन. दिस इज ऑल्सो सेक्शुअल पोजिशन. So interesting names, no? And Indranika is named after the wife of Indra, who is credited to invent this position. So इसमें क्या होता है, man will wrap his thighs around his female partner. तो वो अपनी जो जंघाएं हैं, जो आदमी है वो अपनी जंघाएं अपनी फीमेल पार्टनर के इर्द गिर्द रैप कर देगा, एंड ही विल एक्चुअली यूज हिज हैंड्स टू slightly open the vagina, slightly broaden the opening of the vagina through his hands. So please don't use force. Vaginas are delicate, gentle. So it's just about making the room when again if the vagina is small and the penis is large. Now this is about smaller vaginas, larger penis, but it's not just about massive penis. What if this penis is small and the vagina is larger? So there is one position called envelopment. Veshistika. Veshtitaka. Okay. So Veshita, Veshititaka. Veshititaka. So basically it is called envelopment, where woman will again lie on the bed as usual, but she will cross her legs while being penetrated. तो वो अपने पैर ना क्रॉस कर लेंगी, ऐसे करके क्रॉस कर लेंगी, जिससे क्या होगा कि it will like squeeze inside, so that a smaller penis can actually आराम से वो चला जाए and it is more compact. So this is for the larger vagina. So women should cross her legs as per the Kama Sutra to facilitate getting sexual pleasure from the penis. Okay. So these are the small things. Then there is a lotus position. I understand, Devin, but actually lot of these positions are there are some random positions, so we actually cannot correlate a specific position to a picture. So I'm just trying my best to explain, give the logic, and I hope you are able to get most of it, if not all of it. So coming to the other position called lotus. Lotus position क्या होता है कि you actually be like a lotus. So a man and a woman will sit, and the woman's leg is bent, and the man is actually, so woman is actually on the man's lap. तो man's lap पे woman बैठती है, and उनका जो वो leg है, it will be like wrapped around the man's back. So that is called lotus position. And there's one more position called, so lotus position is also known as Padma position. Okay, Padma position. So lotus Padma position. Now Shitaraka. Okay, Shitarata is the standing position. So both man and a woman is standing. Woman may be standing against a wall, and man is like penetrating the woman. So this does not offer deep penetration. Okay, this does not offer deep penetration, but it's actually, again, I will say, it's where both people are face to face. So that is position. And then there is one more position where both man and woman are lying, and they are thank you Rakesh. So both man and woman are lying, and they are lying face to face. तो ऐसे लेटे हुए हैं अगल बगल में एक दूसरे के, and on this side, okay, so both the partners are lying on this side and looking at each other face to face, and they have an eye contact and they have a genital contact. So that's again one more position. So thank you guys. I completely understand. And yes, see, the idea is most of us have seen, okay, the positions हमने बचपन में भी देखा है कि pictures होती हैं और ऐसे होता है, but I actually didn't want to refer to a certain position because one, when I read into the Kama Sutra, basically Vatsyayana ने भी pictures ऐसी कुछ, the text itself, it's rich with pictures, but ultimately it's up to your understanding that, okay, how do you want to use it in your own life. Believe me, it's something that we really cannot just copy it, because most of us are very uncomfortable, even when talking about sex, कि हमें सेक्स करना है तो हमें लगता है चलो जो बेसिक स्टैंडर्ड पोजीशन है वही करो, ख़त्म करो. सो इट हैज़ टू स्टार्ट विद अ क्रिएटिविटी वेयर you see that, okay, women on top, are women comfortable being on top? I mean, that's like, okay, are men comfortable getting their women on top and being a submissive, like being completely submissive, having no role to play except being, like the woman is thrusting. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं कि we need to ask these questions. ये चीज़ें हैं. Then like I said कि animals होते हैं, animals को देख के creativity होती है. That's the thing. So these are a few of the things that as I explained on the positions, I think crossing the leg, woman crossing her leg, and both partners standing against the wall and trying penetration. I've actually seen the video, basically, not even the picture, basically the video, and it was during one of my workshops that they have have shown the video, and it's amazing, like when you are actually penetrating by standing on the wall. So few things like, okay, this is something that most of us can imagine. Okay, two people standing and the man is penetrating the woman. How easy is that to even imagine? Okay, you really don't need a picture. So कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो you can actually see it doing it. तो इसको आप कीजिए, अपने उसके हिसाब से कीजिए, अपने टेस्ट के हिसाब से, अपने कंफर्ट के हिसाब से, अपनी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी के हिसाब से चीज़ों को ट्विक कीजिए, मॉडिफाई कीजिए. डोंट ट्राई टू जस्ट डू द एग्जैक्ट थिंग बिकॉज इट माइट नॉट वर्क फॉर एवरीवन. Okay, so Mahesh has asked a question: how to communicate with partner if willing to do sex? Ask them. No, it's quite simple and direct. Ask them. Like I hope that you already had a comfort level with the partner. So you can actually start by the first steps, second steps, like making out, kissing, hugging, cuddling. I hope everything is being done. I'm not sure if that is done or we are just getting straight away to the sex. तो वो चीज़ें हैं कि आप पहले एक कदम बढ़ाएं, दो कदम बढ़ाएं, तीन कदम बढ़ाएं, और फिर फाइनली I won't say sex is the final thing. Everything is final right from the foreplay is the final act for me also. But it has to start from slight gestures, slight touch, and then you can move on. Okay, so thank you so much guys for your time today. Thank you so much for giving a patient ear, and yeah, it was fun interacting with you. It was really great sharing this knowledge, and let's meet tomorrow at 9:30, and we have again, I think, the very interesting topic. So why pain is pleasure. तो उसकी बात करेंगे कि पेन से प्लेजर मिलता है सेक्स में. बिल्कुल मिलता है. क्यों मिलता है, कितना पेन लेना चाहिए, कितना पेन नहीं लेना चाहिए. So we'll talk something about that. Great. चलो, see you. Have a nice sleep. Nice day. Have your dinner on time, and thank you. Bye.